Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on Brave HR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Brave HR login. And as the search result, in the first option, you can see the website of Brave HR. Click on the link. It will take you to the login portal of Brave. And over here, enter the email address of your account. Once you do that, in the password section, enter the password of your account. To confirm your password, you can click here in the eye icon. And once you do that, click on the login button. You will be logged into your Brave HR account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here forgot your password to reset it. And if you want to create an account on Brave HR, you can click here sign up button. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.